Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed and we are here to make some slime with my daughter Catherine. Say hi, Catherine.
Hi.
Hey. So we are going to use one of the glues that I actually use with one of my companies, which is a Helmar Craft Hobby PVA glue. This is a kid's glue, which is awesome, and that's basically what you're using. And we are going to make some light and fluffy glue, right?
Yeah.
So we have pulled together all of the main ingredients that you need, and one of her favorite things to watch, because she watches YouTube videos too, is slime videos. And she looks, Mom, you know how to make videos? Can you make a video for slime? Sure, let's do that. So we're going to make a slime video. And we're going to make light and fluffy. So the first step that we need to do is borax. And we are almost out, but that's kind of the key ingredient to make sure that everything sticks together. So I have 1 cup of warm water here, and I have a little teaspoon measuring cup, and we're going to get out a teaspoon out of my box. All right, Catherine, do you want to pour this in?
Yeah.
All right, here she is. She's going to pour this in. Bloop. All right, now I'm going to move this off just to the side for you. Can you stir that for me? Just get in, get that all nice and stirred up. Get in the bottom. All right, while she is doing that, we are going to take our craft glue and we're going to measure out a 1/2 cup. So we're going to pour, and I think that's about all we have left in this little jar. All right, so I think we got it all out. There we go. And we're right about that 1/2 cup measuring mark, which is fantastic. So let's pour this in. And I do have a spatula here to help get rid of the excess, but we are going to continue to measure a few things in here. Now, Catherine, you get the fun part. Can you grab the shaving cream? There it is. And we are just using a cheapy, no frills, no fuss shaving cream. And we are going to measure in another 1/2 cup. This is what makes it light and fluffy, a couple other fun things. All right, so Catherine, can you go ahead and, it doesn't have to be perfect, just fluff it in. You squirt it. Get in there.
We need to shake it.
Okay, shake it, 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 shake it. Okay, more. Get it in there. There you go. More, 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 more. Are you getting it in?
Yeah.
All right, let's add just a tiny bit more. Ooh. There we go. So it doesn't really matter which shaving cream. This is just an extra thick, sensitive skin. It all works the same. Plop this in. There we go. Okay, now we need the foaming hand wash. This is just a foaming soap. This is actually like a body wash, and it has a little bit of a smell, which is awesome. So pick one that you actually like the smell of. All right, fill this up again. There we go. Squirt, squirt, squirt. You go, girl. Squirt. Ooh, does that smell good?
Yeah, that smells really good.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
All right. Need some help filling it up? All right. We're going to get it all the way to the top. This just helps add to the thickness and the creaminess. And again, you can kind of go a little bit over. All right. So hang on. We're going to, yeah, you're going to stir. We're going to get it out. All right. Can you start stirring that up a little bit? Look at her go. Look at it. It looks like whipped cream, but don't eat it.
Yeah.
Yuck, right?
Yeah. Yuck.
All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch, because this just helps kind of thicken it up and make it a little bit extra. A little bit extra. So can you, we're going to do it right over here. Can you pour in? Oh, perfect. Dump it in. Plop. All right. And then we're going to add a couple squirts of some lotion, which just kind of helps it keep it that smooth, creamy. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're actually just using the end of this lotion that we've had forever. So we're finishing it up. We found one that we kind of liked. It says vanilla peppermint or something, right?
Yeah.
All right, so there it is. Okay, stir it up.
Look at it. It's big.
Look at that.
It's
looks pretty
puffy.
cool. There it goes.
It's puffy.
Is it getting puffy?
Yeah.
It's puffy slime. Now that it's all nice and mixed together, looks like, I don't know, is it light and fluffy?
Yeah.
Now we start adding a little bit of our borax water back in here. We're just going to do little bits at a time until it starts coming together. So 1, 2, we're going to do 3-ish in there. Do you want to stir?
Yeah.
All right, stir it up, girl.
It's getting puffier.
Yeah, it's starting to come together. It's starting to gather, get into that slimy. Look at her go. She's been super excited to do this. All right, stop for a minute. All right, now we're going to do a couple more. 1, You can keep stirring. There There we go. Good job. So how many times did you ask me to make slime?
5.
It was more than 5. She asked me a lot.
I asked her 100 times.
100 times. All right, let's keep going. Let me look to see where we're at. All right, still not quite coming together, so we gotta add some more.
Okay, it's coming together.
It's starting to come together.
Yes.
Hang on, let's do it. You can stir it. So we're going to keep doing this until it keeps coming together. We're going to add a little bit more of the borax solution, keep adding some more of it until it's starting to come together and make it look like slime.
Oh, it's coming together.
Here you can start seeing it start to come together. The more we mix it, the more it's going to do it. She's getting excited. And here it is. Actually a little bit more than I thought for the borax, but look at that. It's starting to come together. And the more we work it, the better it's going to work. So we're going to get in there with our hands. You ready? This is our favorite part. Yeah. Mix it up. The more you stretch it and do and mess with it.
Mom, this is not even puffy.
It's puffy. Looks like a giant marshmallow. Okay, so we've gotten our slime. Here's what we got. Look at that. It's super cool slime, light and fluffy.
Mine is fluffy.
Yeah, hers doesn't, like, they do pull apart, which I think is absolutely fun. But the thing is that they're not sticking to our hands, which I think is fantastic. So if you pull too hard, they will pull, but it's kind of cool, right? It's a little different than what we've been making before. So she's been making some with one of her friends, and they're just every single batch you make is going to be a little bit different. And it does come together if you kind of put it in your bowl and let it sit. Hers is just a little more malleable, but we decided we're going to add glitter to ours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I pulled out all my fun glitters that I've collected over the past little while. And what colors are you going to do?
White, pink, purple, blue.
White, pink, purple, blue. I think I'm going to do a greeny blue with mine. So we're just going to pop open the tops. And we're going to do the shaker side. Can you pop it open? And we're just going to shake, shake, shake. And shake some in. And here's another one I'm going to put some in. Shake, shake it. Do you need some help, Catherine?
Shake, 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 shake.
Oops, there's the clear. We decided not to color them and just go for some fun glitter. Because why not? Glitter's cool. Right? Make it sparkly. It's like unicorn slime.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Unicorn slime.
I'm
going to add a little purple in mine. You want some purple in yours?
Yeah, I have purple in
mine. Oh, you have it? Okay, don't touch yours then. What about this pink? Do you want this pink in yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some of that pink? Okay. So we're just having some fun.
I'm going to have more of this pink and white.
All right. Okay, so why don't we stop right here and let's mix it in.
Wait. There's a little bit more.
And then we can decide if we need to add more. We're going to mix. Mix, mix, mix. Can't even see it in here. Surprise! There it is.
Surprise!
So we're just going to mix this in real fast.
Yeah, and decide if we need more 9. Mom's. Wait. I think this is enough glitter for mine.
You think so?
No, I don't. I need more.
You need more?
I need more.
You need more?
I need more of these two.
Okay, well, you're not going to see those. You want to put a color in there.
Yeah, these two show up.
Yeah, the colors will show up better. So I think we both decided we need more glitter.
Yeah, we need more.
Lots more glitter. All right, so we're both going to add a little bit more glitter and then mix it in.
I'm not going to use the same glitter I have. I'm going to use this kind of glitter. That's going to be a little silly. Mom, yours might be mixing more than mine.
Maybe.
I'm going to add a little bit more of that. I'm going to add a little bit of this. Can I have some of that?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have it, please? Ooh, yeah, that's right. Ooh, yeah.
She liked the gold glitter. All right, we're going to mix this up.
No, not mine yet.
Oh, you're not going to mix yours yet. I'm going to mix mine.
A little more. One more for mine.
I'm going to hold mine up so you guys can see the glitteriness in there. I mean, look at that. Woo! Can I hold yours up so they can see? Wow, look at
more
hers.
glitter for mine. More glitter.
So look. so cool. So every time she's moving it around, it's just catching the glitter even more. Hers definitely has a different consistency. I'm not sure why. I mean, I think if I leave mine alone, it starts getting into that stretchier vibes. So it's very therapeutic actually, and it is just all kinds of fun. So I'm gonna let her keep glittering hers up and having a blast.
Because I like glitter.
In the meantime, what are we gonna say? Are we gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
All right, bye everybody. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye.
Glitter slime. I love glitter.